Welcome back, everybody. Exciting news today. If you've been following me over the years, you know every year Blackstone works in conjunction with Walmart to do special holiday Black Friday pre-Christmas deals, one of a kind. Last year was so exciting. We had 3 of the 22-inch Adventure Ready Griddles, a gray, a black, and a tan. This year they're back, but a huge twist. We have the gray Adventure Ready. This thing is beautiful. You can see they come with the hardcover. Hardcovers, of course, you can hang in the back, use them as a windscreen, as a little guard from grease, but the 22-inch, 2 burners, adventure ready styling, and of course, the black. The black is back as well, so black on the bottom, black on the top with the hardcover, and a special, huge announcement. We have the orange this year. This thing is sweet. It is orange on the bottom. People have been begging for this over the years. Orange on the bottom, 2-toned with black on the hardcover. I'm actually getting ready to head up to Nebraska for deer hunting. You can see we've got some things in the back of the truck here, so it's hectic around our house. So 3 different griddles, the black, the orange, and the gray. The orange, of course, is my favorite. You want to pay attention to Blackstone's Facebook and Instagram this week because we're going to have more news this week and next week. You want to pay attention to Walmart.com and their Black Friday circular. One more thing before I go as well, Blackstone's 25-piece deluxe toolkit. Blackstone typically does a special toolkit with Walmart every year, and these are right now. These are the entire month of November while supplies last at Walmart. If you bought all these things separately, it's about $140, $39. I'll just show you some of the highlights here. You've got the highly coveted serving trays, the brand new double egg rings, some scrub pads, grease cup liners in there, bottles, matching spatulas, hamburger spatula, rear grease gate, a scraper, all kinds of stuff. So that's been going on all month. But the big news is the 22-inch griddles. And let's take another look at them here. I'll throw the hardcover back on this one. The gray. Very, very nice. The black, you can see I've been cooking on these quite a bit. And the orange, this is my favorite. I have to be honest. Last year, the tan one was my favorite, but this year I'm going with orange. So I sure do appreciate you watching, everybody. Stay tuned. Every week I got Let's Give It a Try on Blackstone social media. That's my main gig, my main show right now. Trying hard to get you more videos here, but it takes time and I only have 24 hours in a day. So stay tuned. Blackstone's Instagram, Blackstone's Facebook, Walmart.com, or the Walmart app. Until next time, praise the Lord and pass the food. And one more look at this. Come on. Orange, gray, and the black. Woo!